What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be filming a day in my life as an entrepreneur running multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses. Today, we're at my wholesaling real estate office. Louis, one of my sales guys just got here. What's up, man? Good morning. How you doing? Good to see you. All right, let's get it. Let's lock up some deals today. So, we're cranking here. I got a bunch of sales guys going. We got a new trainee that started this week. His name's Cole. There's Cole. He just started this week. Roofer salesman. Guy's been selling everything from black and white newspaper ads, marketing. He's sold everything. Sold roofs. And we're getting him on the phone trying to crush it. Alex right here has locked up how many deals now?
9.
9 deals locked up now. How long have you been here?
Month and a week.
Month and a week. 9 deals locked up. Louis's been with me 6 years. Louis's the man, the OG. Louis, you just locked up a big deal, right?
Yeah.
What'd you lock it up for?
For 55.
55,000. What's it worth?
Like 135.
135. So 55, 135, and we're thinking we can put what, a 30K wholesale fee on there? $30,000 profit on that deal right there. Looks like Spencer's out of here right now.
Useful information in the webinar?
Oh yeah, it was very useful. I use a dialer too.
We got Colton right there helping out other wholesalers learn how to be successful in this business as well. And Colton's running free success calls all the time. So if you join my free course, it's my Wholesaling University, where you get access to over 20 training videos for free on the wholesaling real estate business. Get my free course. It's going to be a link down below in the description. It's on the platform School, SKOOL. Jacob Blank's Wholesaling University. And what Colton does is you're able to book success calls with Colton, and Colton knows exactly how to teach you to implement the same things that I've been able to do in my business. So, sign up for my free course down below, get access to the 20 free training videos on exactly how to get your first deal step by step and grow the business, and then you can also book a success call with Colton. So that was Colton back there helping out another wholesaler, crush it in the business. Sean's selling a deal right now. Let's listen to his call. Sean's my disposition manager.
Oh, a couple hours, so you wouldn't be able to head out there because this is a new listing we have. She signed an AIF with us and everything. She knows it's going to be listed. She's okay with us marketing it. She's going to give us till the end of July. But I definitely think getting some better pictures would be possible. Would you be able to get someone out there and maybe get some better pictures for us? Or, because this should definitely be a good one. We're not on a time crunch on this one or anything. No, it's vacant. She moved out. Yeah. I think she has a couple things in there, but like, she's working. But it's no furniture. We'd be able to get it on a lockbox and everything. So it should be a good one. Okay. Yeah, I'll send you over all the details on it. Yeah, same thing. Would we be able to pay the photographer out of proceeds when it's closing, or would we need to be paying them up front? Okay. If not, could we maybe have, if a realtor goes out there and shows it, could we just have her take some, good ones on her phone, nothing, professional or anything, and we can update them? Okay, sounds good. Well, I'll go ahead, I'll send you over all the details on this one, and everything we have signed with the seller, AIF addendums and everything. If you want to check it out, and just let me know.
That's a conversation I had with you. Send me that, and I can take a look at it.
Yep.
And what about the Melbourne? You going to think about the listing?
Yeah, I'm going to talk with the seller, see if we can get some more time with them, kind of fill them in. You think, let me see here, I'm looking, you said around 198 would be a good list price for this one?
Well, depends on depends on the condition. So if you can fill out, I can send you the property disclosure, and you can get those, questions answered, so we can define which will be the best listing price.
Yeah, and I did. Yeah, okay. I think we have some things. I mean, I have those few pictures I sent you. Do you take a look at those?
Oh, no, I did not. Oh, that's why you always send me a link. Okay, let me take a look at it.
I'm looking at it now.
I'm going to send you the disclosure, the property disclosure, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you can ask those questions from her, okay?
All right, sounds good, Heidi. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, honey. You too.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tell me about this deal, Sean, before you keep at it.
We thought we were going to be able to sell it cash. Turns out the seller gave us the wrong square footage. So it's about 500 square feet less. She still wants her price. So I talked with her, told her we can probably get her price if we listed it on the market. So I signed an AIF with her. She knows we're going to list it, take pictures, put a lockbox on it. It might take 60 days to get it sold. So I sent it to Heidi so she can get it on the market and maybe send someone out, or Heidi, our realtor, to list it for us. Hopefully get out there and get some pictures, and
so
we
it
can get the
turns
most
out
for it.
Seller gave us the wrong square footage.
Yeah.
We weren't able to sell it to a cash buyer. We converted it to a novation to simply help the seller out. You must have had an amazing relationship with the seller.
I was in contact with her like every other day, and that's what I think we should be doing with a lot of our deals, is just building good relationships with them while we try to sell it cash. If we can't sell it cash, then we say, hey, since we built this relationship, you can trust us. We'll get you the most for it. We'll list it. Now that we have
Very
realtors
smart.
sending out, we'll say we'll get professional photography. We'll do all these things that other realtors won't do, and I think that'll help.
So they want you to stay in touch with them, these sellers. If that's how you build that rapport, that's how you build that trust. Even if the deal goes sideways, you're not able to sell it, but you built that relationship there, then it's easy to convert it. Look, hey, we were struggling here to get our financial approval here from our financial parties, but we can help you out. We'll help you put it on the market. We'll help you list it. We'll get photos of it. We'll do everything. We'll handle it all for you, and you're not going to be charged a commission. You'll save money. So we convert it to a novation. We get it listed with that realtor. You saw Sean talking with the realtor about getting the property listed. So he's working on getting a deal sold on the market. Great job. You sound great. Good job. All right, guys, I got something crazy to show you. This is my main office right now that I've had for over 4 years. I've been at this location for over 4 years, but I'm scaling my businesses, and I got something crazy to show you. We're gonna walk over here to the other side of the building, and a lot of great stuff's going on. They're doing construction outside, so I hope it hasn't been too loud. They've got a jackhammer out there breaking up the concrete, but they're also replacing all the carpets throughout the whole office, so that's gonna make it a lot nicer here. But I'm doing something crazy. I'm scaling my companies. Got multiple companies now. Been building as an entrepreneur for 6 years now. I started when I was 16. I'm about to be 23 years old. And I'm getting another office. Right here is my second office that is coming soon. So stay tuned for this. We got a conference room right here, one executive suite. Over here, we got another big bullpen room. The ceilings are falling down, but they're gonna redo all this, and we'll be rocking and rolling. There's another little office here. I'm probably gonna throw a door right here. Something, I don't know, it's small, it's kind of weird, but I got a great deal on this space. So now in total, I'm gonna have about 4,000 square feet of office space. 4,000 square feet of office space. I could probably have 20, 25 employees across my 2 offices. And with that being said, I should be doing $3 to $5 million a year in revenue once I scale it out all the way. So it's time to crush it. It's time to grow. 2025, 23 years old. It's time to take everything to the next level. Guys, if you want to have the same success that I've had in the wholesaling real estate industry, I'm going to be doing a live training with you, an hour long, me personally coaching you on everything in the business. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to sign up for a free 1-hour live training with me. Check it out, sign up, and I'll be coaching you for an hour on exactly how to get your first deal. And if you're already doing deals, I'll show you how to scale up to doing $100,000 per month. So click the link in the description, sign up for the free live training. But otherwise, I hope you found this video educational and entertaining of a day in the life of an entrepreneur running my multiple businesses. And so if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.